You smacking down the turkey? You chomping it down, buddy? Yum, yum. Yeah, you like it. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You know you like the turkey. You cleaned it up pretty good. Well, a lot of it. Here, have some more. Eat it all up. You dropped it, man. You're making a big mess. I'm gonna have to vacuum clean you afterwards. Yes. Yeah. You want some butternut squash? Don't do that. Don't spit that out. Come on.
Classy looking grill, and of course the wire wheels. They really make the sturdiest cars. You know how they got such a great gloss on that paint? Brighto makes old bodies green. We'll sell 1 million bottles. Woo! Are you the Brighto man? I'm the Brighto man. One of my favorite Three Stooges episodes. You get number 1 right over my head. Sorry. You never saw that episode? No, Brighto.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. You done eating? I guess you are. Stop it.